Oh, what's up, y'all? It's your boy James, and right now we're gonna be playing some Airsoft. Me and my little brother. Alright, we both got Uzis, masks for Christmas. Got a vest. Alright, see y'all outside. What's up, y'all? So here's the rules. There's 2 spawn points back here and back there. Alright, we don't have that much for cover, but here's the rules about this, okay? Get hit once, raise your hand, you're hit. There is a little bit of full auto, not too much. If they come up behind you, you gotta pull out your spring gun, or you can shoot them once with the Uzi. And other than that, there's no headshots, no aim for head and all that. Okay, let's get this started. Hey, brother, go on your side. What? There's our target that we got. Alright. Ready? Test fire. Alright. Ready! There's no shooting on the RV, by the way, so yeah, that's what's good about my spot. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, I can't change. You got hit. Good game. Ah, that doesn't even hurt. Ow! Ow! Ammo refill! Oh, by the way, I did not put this in, but ammo refill, you can't shoot. Your gun did not die, it's just out of ammo.
Yeah, it goes towards like Texas City. Yeah. 146 and a little road right there. And that's the
Refill. You need refill? Test fire it. Your gun died?
Hey, we just shooting at each other. Oh, three hits me because I was running back there. You hit me? Then I got my gun, I shot him, I hit him all over there. It was bang. And then he was gonna run, I was like, and then I ran and I got hit. It doesn't hurt, but it makes you sweat on it.
I just got shot in the ankle by John. John snatched my ankles up. Mine's good.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I have to get it. I have to put it in. Okay. Yeah, I know.
What's up, y'all? It's James, and so I won 3-2. That was a good game. Right now his airsoft gun died. We were gonna have another one coming out either tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, be posted for the next one, okay? See ya.